Hello everyone, Mike here, the Cheap Bastard Overlander. Thought I'd give everyone a quick update. Not necessarily step 2, but more like step 1.1. I've gone ahead and I've taken the wheels and tires off. I've pretty much stripped it down. Went ahead and took the extra bolts that were supposed to hold the stake pockets on and filled in some of the missing bolts from the frame. I've taken off the coupler, and as you can see, the bottom one is the original 1 7/8. The top is 2-inch. They are both supposed to fit the trailer, and technically they do. They're the right size. However, as you can see, the holes don't line up. So Harbor Freight, in its infinite wisdom, has decided that even though both of these couplers are made by the same manufacturer, the holes are for the original coupler. The drawing of the holes are the new coupler. Why would you make a replacement that doesn't fit your trailer? I'm still baffled, so I'm going to have to drill new holes. Next thing I did was I got the new bearings and the new wiring. I will be putting those on soon, but I want to clean up the trailer frame, probably power wash it, maybe sandblast it, put a good coat of paint on it, probably bed liner. I also took off the hinge that makes the frame fold in half and just bolted it together so that it cannot fold in half. Went ahead, bolted it on each side of there, as well as the two beams together. I don't know if you can see the bolts, but there they are. The last thing for this video, these are the original wheels and the original tires, because the information plate on the side of the trailer says this is from 2009. The information on the tire says they're also from 2009. So obviously, the person who had this before me very rarely used it. The tread is still really good. But I'm not putting 14-year-old tires, no matter how good the tread is, back on the trailer. So I will be getting new tires. Probably more like C or D rated tires, so that I have a higher speed rating as well as the load range. And that is it for today. I appreciate everyone who's following along. I know it's taken a long time, but I am a cheap bastard, and I have a lot of other things going on that takes up my time and finances. Rebuilding our master bedroom, bathroom, and paying for my kids' college. So I hope everybody enjoys this. Thank you.